Now in this question, we are given a differential equation and it is given that y1 equals 2 and slope of the curve y equals yx is never 0. Then find the value of 10y root 2. Now this is simple variable separation. So we can simply write this as dy upon y square minus 4y and it is equal to dx upon x. Now this is dy upon y into y minus 4 and this is dx upon x. Now we'll use partial fraction to break this. 1 upon y minus 4 and this is a upon y plus b upon y minus 4. Now for a, if we put y as 0, we'll get a as minus 1 by 4. And if we put y as 4, we'll get b as 1 by 4. So it will be this integral minus 1 by 4y plus 1 by 4 y minus 4 dy and it is equal to integral of dx by x. Now this is minus 1 by 4 log y and plus 1 by 4 log y minus 4 and this is equal to log x and we'll take this constant in terms of log. So we write this as log sum c dash. Now if we simplify this, we can write this as 1 by 4 log y minus 4 upon y and this is equal to log c dash x. Now we'll take this 4 on the right hand side, it'll come in the power, so we'll write y minus 4 upon y, it is equal to c dash to the power 4 into x to the power 4. Now c dash to the power 4 is some other constant, say c. So we can write this as y minus 4 upon y is equal to c into x to the power 4. Now we are given that when x is 1, y is 2. So if we put values of x and y, we'll get 2 minus 4 is minus 2, minus 2 upon 2 is minus 1 and here this value is 1. So value of c is minus 1. So we'll get y minus 4 is equal to minus y into x to the power 4 or simply y is 4 upon 1 plus x to the power 4. So that is the curve in this question. Now we need to find the value of 10y root 2. Now this is 10 into 4 and this is 1 plus root 2 to the power 4. Now this is 10 into 4. Now this is 2 square 4, 5. So 4 into 2 is 8. So answer to this question is simply 8.